What's going on, MGTOW? What's going on, Red Pill? Back with another video. This profile right here. 45-year-old woman. She's Caucasian, single. She has children at home, so she's definitely a single mother. Hates smoking, drinks socially. Speaks a little bit about her down here. What describes her and things she's looking for in a man. Doesn't seem like she's looking for too much, but you just want to be careful. Oh, well, she's undecided about wanting children. She should not have any more. So right there, that might be a sign of looking for too much. But here's the main thing that I like to bring up about these women when they're on that fashion shit. Just because they don't put too much in their profile or like have that big of a paragraph of what they want in a man doesn't necessarily mean they don't want too much, because they don't want to scare off a man. Here's a picture of her. So you see the face with the amount of makeup she have. But then look at the chest. That's something you got to worry about, men. Really worry about that. Okay? The whole bird's eye view thing is something that would give a little justice to their picture, which we don't really see justice in that, guys, because we're smart. For an example, now just going through her pictures here. Now look at her frame. You notice that her head is quite big compared to the body, right? And you look at the lower jawline. Looks kind of thick down there compared to her body. Now, that goes to show that she possibly had the surgery, which is the gastric bypass. Okay, I've dealt with enough women in the past, man. And a lot of them do not lose in the right places. They don't. They end up losing their curves. They have like this tiny butt and a pop belly. It looks funny. I've came across enough of them. They just end up looking weird. All right, just like this woman here. Big head and little body. And going near to her neck from her jawline looks kind of full. That's because of the damn surgery. All right. So this woman here tried to play sexy. You have to be careful, guys. See, you could tell. This is why you gotta watch out with these women in their bird's eye view pic. So, just need to go back to this, get an idea. You don't see much of that full neck while she's taking a picture from an upper view. Anyways, I hope you learned something, Red Pill. And to you men of MGTOW, you stay MGTOW.